square root of negative 49 minus square root of negative 48. When we want to solve this, because we have negative 1 inside square root, we use complex numbers. And if I want to write for you, we can say complex numbers. We have I equal to root negative 1. Here, if we calculate, it will be square root of negative 1, because we can say square root of AB equal to square root of A times square root of, we write square root of negative 1 times square root of 49 minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 48. Okay. Square root of negative 1, we write it as I. Square root of 49 is 7, so we write 7I. And this one, 48. I take 4 outside square root, it will be 2. So it will be negative 2I root 12. And then here, I want to factorize. How I want to write this. The factor from root I will be 7 minus 2 root 12. Then for this one, I use this identity that a minus b squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2a. So here, if you consider 7 minus 2 root 12, let's say 7 minus 2 root 12, 3 plus 4 minus 4, which we can write it as root 4 minus 3 squared. If we use it here, it will be root I times square root of root 4 minus root 3 squared. Okay, now let's simplify as much as we can. Simplify, it will be what? Root I times root 4 minus, so it will be root I times 2 minus. Here we should focus on how to find value. How to find the value here. What are value? Root I. Finding root I, let me tell you how it to find. So a plus bi, then we raise to the power of 2, left side is I, right side is a plus bi whole squared. It will be a plus bi times a plus bi, and multiply here, it will be what? It will be a squared minus b squared abi. And here, if we consider this part and part, the real parts are equal, and the imaginary parts also are equal. A squared equal 2ab equal to, from here, a squared equal to b squared, so a is plus minus, but because a and b are not 0, because 2ab is 1. A and b should have same sign because of this part that 1 equal to a equal to b becomes 2, and if we replace it here, 2a squared is 1, so a squared is 1 over 2, a plus minus 1 over root. Okay. So let's check our answer. So root I equal to what? Right, color color. Root I equal 1 over root 2 plus minus 1 over 2. It is a plus bi, 1 plus I. Okay. Now, if we consider the answer, root I times 2 minus answer, root I times 2 minus, it will be plus minus 1 over root 1 plus I minus. So the answer is this. You can also simplify this as just 1. If you have questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like. Thanks. Bye.